In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a worksheet a number of times in Excel with VBA. This sheet was needed to be copied 12 times, and the first date that it's being, your start date, is being an A1, and that's whatever your start date is, so you can start the middle of the month or whatever you want. Now, these sheets are going to be copied, but the formatting, the column width is all going to be the same, and the number formatting is going to be the same. And so let's press our button that's connected to my macro, and I'm going to go click on the Make Sheets. And there you go, you have all of the sheets made, and the formatting is all the same. The column width is all the same, and they're all directly behind each other on the workbook, and it works out very well. So let's dive into the code here. So the first part of the code is just copying the sheet. So I have the master, and I have my start date as A1 that I mentioned before, and I'm doing Cells.EntireColumn.AutoFit. Start date is that one, and next date equals start date. Now, while the count is less than 13, because we wanted 12 of these, we copy the master sheet after the Sheets.Count, so at the end we put the new sheet, and then we're going to change the date to the next date. And so ActiveSheet format, and this is the format, and then we call format master, which I'll go over next, and then next date is date add, so we're adding a month to whatever the start date was, and then we're checking the count to make sure it's not more than 13, and then the start date. So here's the format master that I've called, and I'm specifying the column width for each of the columns that I have here, and then I'm specifying exactly how I want in column A how I want the numbers to be presented. I will, of course, include all of this in the description of my video, all of the code in the description of my video. You can change it to suit your needs, and it should work perfectly for you. So that's how you create a number of copies of a worksheet with VBA in Excel. Please subscribe.